If you're looking to get the most value out of FanDuel, you're in the right place. Today we're breaking down the absolute best ways to find FanDuel promo codes and the strongest active offers so you can start with extra bonus bets or grab ongoing promotions as an existing player. Whether you've never placed a bet online before or you're already familiar with sportsbooks, this updated guide will show you exactly where to look, how the offers work right now, and the smartest ways to claim them without missing out on extra value. We're covering everything step by step, so you walk away confident and ready to take advantage of the best FanDuel deals available. First, let's talk about what FanDuel promo codes and promotions actually look like. Like most top sportsbooks, FanDuel has largely moved away from mandatory manual promo codes for the main welcome offer. The current standout deal for new users is typically bet $5, get $150 in bonus bets if your first bet wins. You make a minimum $5 deposit, place a qualifying first bet of $5 or more, and if that bet wins, you receive $150 in bonus bets. This structure gives new players a strong boost while keeping initial risk low. You'll also find separate promotions for FanDuel Casino, such as deposit matches with free spins and daily fantasy offers with contest tickets or site credits. Bonus bets on FanDuel let you wager the full token amount, but only the winnings become withdrawable cash, usually with a 7 to 14 day expiration. The main reason to actively hunt these offers is simple. They give you more playing power and reduce the amount of your own money you need to risk early on. Finding the right ones quickly can make a real difference in how much fun and potential return you get from the platform. Now let's get into the most effective methods to find FanDuel promo codes and bonuses in 2026. Your first and most trustworthy stop should always be the official FanDuel website and mobile app. Go to fanduel.com or open the app and head straight to the promotions section. You'll see clear tabs for sportsbook, casino, racing, and daily fantasy. Bookmark this page because new offers appear regularly around major sports seasons, holidays, and big events like the Super Bowl, March Madness, or opening day in baseball. Checking it a couple times per week keeps you on top of fresh deals. Trusted affiliate and review sites are another excellent way to discover the latest offers. Websites such as CBS Sports, Action Network, Covers, Odds Checker, and Legal Sports Reports regularly update their FanDuel pages with the current best promotions and direct claim links. These partners often give you an enhanced or properly tracked version of the welcome bonus when you sign up through their links. Even if you don't need to type in a code, using one of these verified links ensures the promotion attaches correctly to your account. It's smart to check a couple of these sites because occasional state-specific or time-limited boosts can show up on one but not others. Email newsletters and app notifications are incredibly powerful for staying updated. After creating your account, immediately opt into promotional emails and push notifications. FanDuel sends personalized offers, reload bonuses, profit boosts, and occasional promo codes straight to your inbox or the bell icon in the app. Inside the app, check the Promotions tab and the rotating carousel on the home screen regularly. Many limited time deals and opt-in opportunities appear there first, so enabling notifications helps you catch them before they expire. For existing users, locating ongoing promotions is straightforward. Once logged in, go to the Promotions section where you'll find profit boosts, parlay insurance, no sweat bets, deposit matches, and more. Most of these require you to opt in before betting. The referral program is also worth using. You can generate your own unique referral link or code, share it with friends, and earn bonus bets when they sign up and place a qualifying wager. This is one of the easiest ways to keep earning rewards long after your welcome bonus. Here's a complete step-by-step walkthrough for claiming the welcome offer as a new user. First, make sure you are physically located in a state where FanDuel Sportsbook is legal and that you are 21 years or older. Next, click through a trusted promotional link or go directly to fanduel.com and tap the sign up button. Fill out the registration form carefully with your real full name, email address, date of birth, phone number, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. This information is required for verification and responsible gaming compliance. During registration, you might see an optional promo code or referral field. For the main welcome offer, you can usually leave it blank because the bet $5 get $150 bonus applies automatically through proper links. Complete any identity verification steps by uploading a photo of your driver's license or other ID when prompted. Then make your first deposit of at least $5. FanDuel supports convenient options like PayPal, Venmo, debit cards, online banking, and more. After your account is funded, place a qualifying first bet of $5 or more on any eligible market. Choose something with reasonable odds, typically minus 500 or longer. Once that bet wins and settles, the $150 in bonus bets should appear in your account, often split into several smaller tokens. Use them before they expire, and remember that only the profit from those bets becomes withdrawable cash. For existing users who want to claim a promo code or special offer, log into your account, navigate to the Promotions tab, and look for any Enter Code field. Codes sometimes arrive through email, text alerts, or during big sporting events. Always read the full terms and conditions attached to each promotion, because requirements can include minimum odds, specific bet types, or time limits. To get maximum value from every promo you find, consider using bonus bets on slightly higher odds selections to increase potential payouts, but always stay within your comfort zone. Look for opportunities to combine offers when allowed, such as pairing a deposit bonus with a profit boost. Make it a habit to check the Promotions tab daily, especially during NFL, NBA, or MLB seasons. Turn on all notifications so flash deals don't pass you by. If you also play casino or daily fantasy, check those dedicated sections separately because they often run unique promotions like bonus spins or free contest entries. Responsible gambling should always come first. Only use money you can comfortably afford to lose. Take advantage of the deposit limits, loss limits, and session time tools available in your FanDuel account settings. FanDuel works with resources like 1-800-GAMBLER, and they provide easy self-exclusion options if needed. These bonuses are great for extra fun, but they don't change the fact that the house maintains an edge over the long term. If a promo doesn't appear after you think you've qualified, start troubleshooting by confirming your location services are accurate and turned on, updating the app to the latest version, and making sure you've properly opted in. Refresh the app, log out and back in, or contact FanDuel support through the in-app chat with clear details and screenshots. Most issues get resolved quickly this way. Advanced strategies include following FanDuel's official social channels for surprise drops, progressing through their loyalty program for better ongoing rewards, and shopping lines across multiple sportsbooks to always chase the strongest promotions. During peak seasons, you can expect more sport-specific boosts and insurance offers that can protect bigger parlays. FanDuel also runs strong casino promotions, such as deposit matches paired with hundreds of bonus spins, and daily fantasy deals with free tickets or added contest credits. Check each product area individually, because the offers don't always carry over automatically. Common questions people have. Do most offers still need a promo code? Usually not for the main welcome bonus. Does the offer change by state? Yes, slight variations can occur due to regulations. How long do bonus bets last? Generally 7 to 14 days. Can you withdraw the bonus amount itself? No, only the winnings. What happens if your first bet loses? With the current structure, you won't receive the bonus bets, which is why picking a smart but realistic first wager matters. Avoid using any VPNs because they can result in account restrictions. Always play from your legal home state, using accurate personal information for smooth verification and future withdrawals. Cashing out is simple once you have winnings in your cash balance, with e-wallets usually offering the fastest processing times. Sports seasons heavily influence promo availability. Football season brings NFL player prop boosts and big parlay insurance. Basketball has daily boosts, baseball offers daily specials, and major events create temporary enhanced deals. Spreading your activity across different sports helps you take full advantage of the rotating calendar of promotions. Keeping a few trusted bookmark links handy makes finding fresh offers fast and convenient. While the official FanDuel promotions page is the most accurate source, good affiliate sites often spotlight time-sensitive extras. Steer clear of random websites or unverified social media posts promising secret codes, as they are frequently scams. In summary, finding FanDuel promo codes and the best offers in 2026 comes down to using the official promotions page, trusted partner links, email alerts, and regularly checking the app. The current bet $5, get $150 if your first bet wins is a solid welcome package, and there are plenty of ongoing deals for regular players. Claim offers promptly, read the terms carefully, start small, and always gamble responsibly. If this guide helped you discover better FanDuel offers, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more updated betting guides, and let me know in the comments which state you're in or what type of promo you're looking for next. I read every comment and do my best to reply. Thanks so much for watching this 2026 FanDuel promo guide. Bet smart, have fun, and I'll catch you in the next video. Good luck.